Welcome to our quick guide on SPC Flooring. If you're in the market for a durable, waterproof, and stylish flooring solution, you're in the right place. SPC Flooring, also known as Stone Plastic Composite, offers a myriad of benefits that make it a top choice for homeowners and commercial spaces alike. In this series, we'll cover the key features, installation process, and maintenance tips for SPC Flooring, helping you make the best choice for your space. Let's explore the world of SPC flooring together. Features of SPC flooring. SPC flooring is highly durable, resisting scratches, dents, and stains, ensuring longevity in high-traffic areas. Unlike traditional flooring options, SPC flooring is waterproof, making it ideal for moisture-prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. The rigid core construction of SPC flooring provides exceptional stability, even in environments with fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. Enjoy underfoot comfort with SPC flooring's cushioned feel and noise-reducing properties, enhancing your living space's comfort and tranquility. Installation process. Remove any debris or obstacles. Allow the SPC flooring to acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity for at least 48 hours. Install underlayment for added cushioning and moisture protection. Plan the layout, leaving expansion gaps around the perimeter. Measure and cut planks to fit. Begin laying planks from one corner, working across the room. Click all lock planks together securely. Install transition strips and moldings. Ensure all joints are tight and secure. Maintenance tips. Use a soft bristled broom, vacuum with a hard floor attachment, or damp mop for routine cleaning to remove dirt, dust, and debris. Promptly wipe up spills and stains to prevent potential damage to the flooring surface. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or harsh chemicals that may degrade or discolor the SPC flooring. Use felt pads or furniture glides under heavy furniture to prevent scratching and indentation marks on the flooring surface. Thank you for watching our guide on SPC flooring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.